Okay, you guys, so this is how I make a simple iced coffee at home for myself. Just to save money when I'm craving a nice sweet. Well, I call it a latte. I don't even know if this is really a latte. I think latte has just milk in it. I don't even include milk in this, but basically it's iced coffee in a cup and it tastes good. So this is how I do it. Don't come for me. First, and I just follow a little bit of what I see them do at Starbucks. This is the caramel I like to use. Sunday Syrup by Smuckers. And I put that at the bottom of my cup. And if you want milk, I like to use Chobani oat milk, but I ran out. But a lot of times you don't even need milk for the way I do this. And so I add ice. And if you're like me, I like quite a bit of ice in my cup. For now, I'll just put like about that amount. And then I get my coffee drink. I use Delight iced coffee. It's like already made up. I get the vanilla. And some people drink it just like this, but that's not me. And so I pour that in there till I get almost to the top. And this is really just based on preference, how sweet you want yours. I don't like mine too sweet, but sweet enough. And then I use hazelnut coffee creamer, liquid coffee creamer. I'm almost out. I love this stuff. It's very good. Then I stir it up really good. I think some people use like that pulsator thingy when they mix their creamer with their coffee, but I just stir it. And then I use cold foam creamer, also by Delight. Yeah, this is just the regular one. I got French vanilla. I shake it so it can get a good squeeze on there. I sometimes would use whipped cream, but I kind of prefer the cold foam taste. Maybe I shouldn't do that. And then I just add a little bit more caramel on top just to get like that look. That's what it should look like when you're done. I might have to drink some of this just so the cap can fix, because it might come up. It might, I don't know. Oh, okay. It fit perfectly. Yay. My straw to go with it. This cup I got from Target. It's the LO cups. So cute. Love the color. Very good. Sometimes I drink this with a little croissant or be bougie and put it in like a nice mug just so I can see like the foam and everything. But this is how I make my iced coffee.